This is Alvin pushing the limits out.
Literally nobody calls me that. Her name is Claire King, but she's also a queen.
Oh, wow. Woo! Way to turn it around. Today we're talking about the 11-piece set. This is a combo of pots and pans, whether you're a new cook, you're just moving, you're in college, you want to just redo everything. This is going to be an all-in-one set that helps make your tasty dreams come true.
As a tasty producer, I have to juggle so many things, whether it's making the food look good, making the video look good, and having reliable cookware is very important to me because I cannot afford to waste any time like cleaning too much or having things fail, especially when the shot really matters. So having all this stuff and knowing it's gonna work 100% of the time just makes my job so much easier.
And it's actually the same exact cookware that we use in tasty videos. People ask us all the time in the comments, like, where can I, it's like, no, this is it. Like, this is the cookware that we use.
You go
like,
to
this
Walmart,
is it.
right
Like,
next door, drive
go
down
to
the block.
Walmart, yes.
This is the one,
This
y'all.
is the one.
In our 11-piece cookware set, we have our 9.5-inch frying pan.
Perfect for like eggs, omelets.
I've made a lasagna in here before. We have our 2.5-quart saucepan, a 1.5-quart saucepan.
And a 6-quart Dutch oven. I think this is kind of a one-pot wonder. And you love this one, right? This is your favorite pan?
Yeah, I love this one.
The 11-inch griddle.
When I look at this, I just see a bunch of possibilities. Actually thinking of doing a crepe cake, but with a square, so that when you stack it up, it becomes a cube.
Let's go make a crepe cube. And a 4-quart jumbo cooker. I like this because I can braise a lot in here. So if I'm making like a ragu or something, I can braise the meat on a really high heat, add some liquid, cook it off for a little bit so it gets like really pulley and tender. I'm such a braiser.
She's a braiser, y'all.
I'm a braiser. Whether you're giving this as a gift or getting it for yourself, this is an amazing cookware set full of everything that you're gonna need. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, the 11-piece set you can get in store or online at Walmart. And yeah, we hope you enjoy it as much as we do.